Hello YouTube, my name is Tony Hernandez and today I'm gonna talk about if the 1DX Mark series is still relevant in 2021. Alright guys, so I haven't asked this question a lot lately. Is the 1DX series still relevant? With all the mirrorless cameras that have been released since 2020, it seems like the 1DX cameras might be out of the game not far from now. My thoughts are, as for now, the camera is still very relevant and is one of the best cameras one can get. The thing with the 1DX cameras is that you can use it pretty much for anything, even as a weapon. You can create any kind of content, video and photo, and for sure the quality that you're gonna get is good. The camera is very versatile and the quality of the content is just top of the line. It is without a doubt the best DSLR camera ever created. But we cannot ignore the natural course of technology, and with all the advancements the cameras companies are making with the mirrorless cameras, soon all DSLRs, including the 1DX, will reach its end. And with nostalgia and excitement, I'll tell you that it's okay, because what is taking over is the combination of the best from the DSLR world and the new advancement in technology. So yes, the 1DX cameras are expensive in comparison to other DSLR cameras and even the new mirrorless cameras. So is the price worth it? Yes, it is, if you have the budget for it. Should it be your first option? Not really. You can get a great camera that will do the same thing or even more for less money. The thing is, guys, the camera companies are getting better and better and adding more and smaller bodies. And let's be honest, guys, the 1DX is just massive. Just to hold the camera, if you hold it for too long, your arm gets tired. So, in short, the 1DX series is still very relevant. But my personal opinion is that the camera is more of a luxury than an actual necessity. Alright guys, if you agree with this opinion, let me know in the comments down below. And if you don't, well, also let me know in the comments down below. You guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, and I see you guys next time. Peace!